We are looking at how to do the shell stitch. It's ideal especially for baby blankets, but for so many other things too. This is a fast version, but if you want a more detailed one, see the link in the description. You need a chain or a base with multiples of 8 stitches and then 1. Chain 1 and turn. For the shell we need 7 trebles into 1 stitch. 2 yarn overs into the 4th stitch. And 6 more trebles into the same stitch. Chain 1, again 7 trebles, skip 7 stitches. Chain 1 and continue the same until the end of your row. Single crochet in the last stitch. And change color. Chain 1 and single crochet into each stitch of the fan. To attach the fan, a single crochet into the 4th stitch round the chain. Continue single crochets in each stitch, attaching each time. Chain 1, turn, and a single crochet in each stitch across. Change color again. Now we need half a fan at the start. Chain 4, three trebles in the first stitch. Chain 1, and the next fan of 7 trebles goes in the stitch above where we attached the row. At the end, 4 trebles. Continue like the other grey row, attaching this in the middle of the fan. You can wet it to shape it. For a more detailed tutorial, please see the link in the description. Until next time,